Wa 4.3 magnitude UUD earthquake lick near St. Thomas. Jamaica tide pa mie 13. 2026 a 354 tame. AR pa mie 13. 2026 a 820 coordinated universal time. As reported by DUSGS Pandem website, the earthquake did day pan a very shallow depth at 10.0 kilometers below the surface. At coordinates latitude 17.8902 and longitude -76.6236. The exact magnitude, epicenter and depth of the quake might be revised widen the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine dem calculations, or as other agencies issue dem report. They did have 3 reports pan de form way dem did feel phi be related to the earthquake way did happen. Towns or cities near the epicenter include Kingston, St. Andrew, way day 20 kilometers, or about 12.4 miles from epicenter. Kingston, way day 20 kilometers, or about 12.4 miles away. Spanish Town, Saint-Ian, or about 22.9 miles away. The recommend course of action is phi be vigilant phi possible aftershocks way mighta happen. The weather forecast phi the area near epicenter today is expected phi be partly cloudy throughout the day. Wind speeds of up to 6.9 miles per hour. From the north, Mek wi pre. Say da earthquake ya na go avenue no big impact pan wi breda and sista demda. And dat no earthquake na go to agin. Amen.